My name is Sachin Ejhavan. I have come from Mumbai for this launch of Intelli inverter, as Mr. Palni explained. This inverter has almost got 20 features which are not available in any product in the country. For example, it has got the intelligent battery mode, so that it can backup mode rather, which can tell you that how much battery life is there, and you can optimize your inverter according to that and your power consumption. Also, what it has got is holiday mode, in which if you are not at home for a longer period of time and you intend to go out, you can put this inverter on. It will switch on the lights after periodic intervals and then switch it off, so that by which people will not make out that if somebody is at home or not. It also gives the battery backup status online, and it has got a LED display, a 4-line LED display, which is not available. So these features like this, there are many other features which can be very beneficial to the customer who is using it, and we hope that customers will benefit from this product, and we will definitely bring in more range in this particular items in times to come. As of now, we are up to 1500 VA, from 250 to 1500 VA in sine and square wave inverters. This is basically for home purpose. We are going to come up to 5000 VA or 5 kVA inverters, which can be used for various commercial establishments. So that will happen somewhere around in Q3, Q4 of this year. As I said, one is that it gives you the the battery status, how much battery life is left, which normally most of the inverters in the country don't display. So if it is 2 hours battery backup remained and your power cut is for 3 hours, so you can reduce the load on the inverter, by which you can run the inverter for 3 hours, and it will save you from not having electricity. Also, as I said, the holiday mode is there, which is not there in most of the inverters, and it can save you from so-called if there is any theft, because you can switch off and switch on the lights on its own, automatic. You don't have to do anything. So by which people will perceive that there is somebody else at home, whereas you are away from it. So like this, there are 20 odd features in this product, which definitely give a lot of safety and feature benefits to a customer.